Moss, mold, mildew, and algae stains can make patio furniture, porch steps, and decorative stone look tired and weathered. But you can bring back the beauty the easy way with Wet and Forget Outdoor Spaces 32-ounce trigger sprayer. No scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just a smarter way to care for small outdoor surfaces. Before you start, make sure the surface is dry, free from loose debris like leaves or dirt. There's no mixing or measuring because the 32-ounce trigger sprayer comes pre-mixed and ready to go. Just grab the bottle, aim, and squeeze the trigger to apply an even control spray. Perfect for smaller surfaces like planters, porch steps, outdoor decor, and other small outdoor surfaces. Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner is safe for most outdoor materials because it's bleach-free. That means it's color safe and there's no guesswork or second-step rinsing. Just wet it and forget it. No scrubbing, rinsing, or power washing needed. Wet and Forget Outdoor Spaces works with the wind and rain over time to gently remove those unsightly green and black stains caused by moss, mold, mildew, and algae. Green stains typically clean up within 1 to 2 weeks. Black stains and moss usually clean up within a few months, improving gradually with ongoing exposure to the elements. Apply Wet and Forget when the temperature is above 55 degrees and there's no rain in the forecast. Avoid spraying directly on plants and flush them with fresh water if they're accidentally sprayed. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves, and clothes that protect your skin. Keep off sprayed surfaces until the product has fully dried. Once the surface is clean, a yearly maintenance spray helps reduce new stain buildup, so it's easy and affordable to maintain small surfaces. Trust your outdoor spaces to bleach-free cleaning. Just wet it and forget it.